Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
I will show how to view saved Wi-Fi passwords on your Windows PC. You must be an administrator on that computer to proceed. Open Command Prompt as Administrator by searching CMD and choosing Run as Administrator. Confirm you are on Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11 because commands are supported. First list saved wireless profiles with the command netch WLAN show profiles. That command returns all profile names stored on this device. Write down or copy a profile name exactly before retrieving any password details. To reveal a saved password, run netch WLAN show profile name equals my Wi-Fi key equals clear. Replace my Wi-Fi with the profile name you copied earlier, keeping quotes. Run command prompt as administrator before executing that command now. The output shows a key content field that contains the plain text password. If key content does not appear, you lack privileges or the profile has no stored key. Use the exact profile name and punctuation to avoid errors and incorrect results when querying. Only access network. I will cover safer alternatives and security best practices now. Open Settings, then Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi, and choose Manage Known Networks. Use that list to remove obsolete profiles or to copy exact profile names. To change the network password, log into your router at its IP address like 192.168.1.1 using router admin credentials. Set Wi-Fi security to WPA2 or WPA3 and use a strong password of at least 16 characters. Keep administrator credentials private and audit connected devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.